Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make tomato sauce at home without vinegar. First, select the freshest, ripest tomatoes you can find. San Marzano or Roma varieties work wonderfully. You'll also need fresh herbs like basil, oregano, and a touch of thyme. Don't forget your aromatics: 1 large onion and about 4 cloves of garlic. A good quality olive oil, sea salt, and freshly ground black pepper will complete your ingredient list for a truly delicious, naturally sweet sauce. Now let's prepare those beautiful tomatoes. Begin by washing them thoroughly and coring each one. Next, score a small X on the bottom of each tomato. Carefully blanch them in boiling water for about 30 seconds, just until the skins begin to loosen. Immediately transfer them to an ice bath to stop the cooking. This makes peeling the skins incredibly easy. Finally, remove the seeds for a smoother, less watery sauce, leaving you with pure tomato pulp. With your tomatoes ready, it's time to build the flavor. In a large pot, heat about 2 tablespoons of olive oil over medium heat. Sauté your diced onion and minced garlic until they are soft and fragrant, which usually takes about 5 minutes. Add the prepared tomatoes and your fresh herbs. Bring the mixture to a gentle simmer, then reduce the heat to low. Let it cook for at least 1 hour, stirring occasionally, allowing the flavors to meld beautifully. Season generously with salt and pepper. Once your sauce has simmered and developed its rich flavor, you can achieve your desired consistency. Use an immersion blender directly in the pot for a rustic texture, or pass it through a food mill for a perfectly smooth sauce. Taste and adjust the seasonings one final time. Allow the sauce to cool completely before storing. You can refrigerate it in airtight containers for up to 5 days, or freeze it in convenient portions for several months, ensuring you always have homemade goodness on hand.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.